the construction of the quadrilateral, new topic. Here you have to construct the quadrilateral. The first type for the construction of the quadrilateral, to construct the quadrilateral, if length of the four side and the one diagonal is given. When one diagonal and the four sides are given, that time we have to construct the quadrilateral. That I will teach today. Here for that short example, page number 41. Example is like this. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ is equal to 5.6 cm, length QR is equal to 5 cm, length PS is equal to 4.3 cm, length RS is equal to 7 cm, length QS is equal to 6.2 cm. So you have to draw the quadrilateral. First of all, if you want to construct the quadrilateral at that time, it is important that you have to first draw the rough diagram. So you have to make the four-sided closed figure and you have to name this quadrilateral as PQRS. You have to start with any vertex and you have to name PQRS. Then here this PQ is given 5.6 cm, QR is 5 cm, SR is 7 cm, this SP is 4.3 cm and this diagonal is given. SQ is the diagonal, the line segment which join the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. This is the SP is 6.2 cm and you have to construct the quadrilateral. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, you have to more than two methods you will draw these things. First, you will take the base as PQ and you will construct this triangle first, and after that you will construct this triangle. Otherwise, you have to take this diagonal as base, you have to draw the downside triangle and you have to draw the upside triangle. In this way, you will construct the quadrilateral. But I will take the base PQ as the base. First of all, I will draw this triangle PSQ. After that, SQ as the base and I will draw the triangle SRQ. Everybody understand? Then first of all, you have to draw the base. PQ is equal to 5.6 cm. So you have to take the 5.6 cm distance. So I will take the distance of 5.6 cm. By the scale and pencil, you have to draw the 5.6 cm distance. This is the distance of 5.6 cm. So I will say that this point is P, this point is Q, and this one is 5.6 cm. From P, you have to draw this PS, and from Q, you have to draw this QS. Means from P you have to go to the point S, from Q you have to go to the point S. From P the distance of point S is 4.3 cm. So in compass you have to keep the pointer here and you have to make the arc of 4.3 cm. I will from the P I will make the arc of 4.3 cm. So in the compass you have to take the distance of 4.3. You have to keep this pointer on point P and you have to make the arc like this. Then from point Q the distance of S is 6.2 cm. In the compass you have to take the distance of 6.2 cm. You have to keep the pointer on Q and you have to make the arc like this. The point, just see that from the Q you have to take the distance of 6.2 and you have to make the arc. The point of intersection of this arc is point S. After that, what you have to do, you have to join these lines. So I will join the line like this. This is the PS and this one is QS. So you have to say that this one is 4.3 cm. This one is 6.2 cm. Then from S you have to go to the point R and from Q you have to go to the point R. S to R distance is 7 cm. Q to R distance is 5 cm. So you have to, in the compass you have to take the distance of 7 cm and from S you have to make the arc. So I will take the distance of 7 cm yeah, I will keep this pointer on S and I will make the arc like this. So S to R distance is 7 centimeter. You have to make the arc of the 7 centimeter keeping the pointer on S. Then Q to R distance is 5 centimeter. Q to R distance is 5 centimeter. So in the compass you have to take the distance of 5 centimeter and you have to make the arc like this. You have to keep the pointer on Q and you have to make the arc like this. Because Q to R distance is 5 centimeter, you have to take the distance of 5 centimeter and make the arc that will intersect this arc at point R. Once you will get the point R, then join the RQ, draw the RQ line segment and draw the SR line segment. Exactly points you have to join, and in this way you will construct the quadrilateral PQRS. This is point Q, this is point R, this is point S. Make the arc properly and you have to write here this one is 7 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter, and in this way you have to construct the quadrilateral PQRS. I think you understand all these things. So properly by using the compass you have to utilize all the using the compass, scale and pencil you have to draw the figure. I think you understand all these things. Thank you.